In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in Pipedrive, a powerful tool for managing your sales processes efficiently. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your sales operations, this simple guide will have you creating deals in no time. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Pipedrive's website. You can easily find this by typing Pipedrive into your search engine. This will lead you to Sales CRM and Pipeline Management Software by Pipedrive. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Login option. Click on that to continue. If you're not logged into your account yet, now's the time to enter your credentials. Make sure to have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Pipedrive home dashboard. This is the central hub where all your sales activity takes place. Now, direct your attention to the main navigation bar and look for the Deals option. Click on Deals to open up the Deals section. This is where you'll manage all of your active, won, and lost deals. Locating this is crucial as it allows you to enter and keep track of new deals efficiently. To add a new deal, look for the Plus Deal button. This is usually positioned on the top right part of your screen in this section. Clicking on this will open up a form for creating a new deal. This form is where you input the critical details associated with your new deal, such as the deal's title, value, expected close date, and the person or organization it's associated with. You should take a moment to fill in all relevant fields accurately. The more detail you provide here, the better you'll be able to track and manage your sales process. Once you've entered all the information required, it's time to finalize the process. Look for the Add Deal button, which should be at the bottom of the form. Click on Add Deal to save your entry. And just like that, you've created a new deal in Pipedrive. Remember, creating detailed deals not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your ability to forecast sales and manage relationships effectively. With time, this will become second nature, and you will appreciate how Pipedrive can simplify and enhance your sales operations. That wraps up this session on creating a deal in Pipedrive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you leverage Pipedrive to enhance your sales productivity.